Alright, so what I'm going to attempt to do is put this little, I forget what, DJI mini mic on top. This is not the 2. It will be connected to this Action Cam 5. So let's turn this thing on, get the audio going. Alright, Osmo 5 picked it up. I'm going to mount this on here, take it out for a flight. Let's see what the distance is. Alright, I'm pretty cheap for this test, so I'm just going to use a regular old tape and just tape it up. Temporary solution, obviously. Let's go ahead and mount this. Like I said, this is a quick flight, so I shouldn't need that much tape. Yeah, that's good enough for me. Alright, so this is how it looks like. It seems pretty secure. Here we go. Cold today and windy. Probably low 60s. It's been windy for the last, I don't know, couple of days now. Set it down. Let's turn this thing on. Alright, mic's connected, I think. Yep, mic's connected. I'm not going to take it too far, so. Alright, let's get all our stuff ready. Let's get all my stuff ready. Never had this much problem before. Alright. Goggles. Okay, here we go. Mode. So now the audio should both be synced. I've hit record at the same time on both. Now let's try again, this time with the takeoff manual mode. Let's see, the mic's still recording, so here it is. All right,